Hey guys, it's Thursday at Carpy's. We just got back from an awesome A Day to Remember concert in Pittsburgh. So we're getting things wrapped up. We're putting together right now some vehicle graphics for tomorrow's install. We're doing one of the Olean Police Department SUVs. So right now we're just making sure we have all of the parts and pieces that are going to be needed for that. That way we're prepared and ready to rock it in the morning. It's a hectic day here in the back room with Mo being out. We're running some DTF. We're also working on some banners, some signs, some graphics, all kinds of shit. For those of you who don't know, our main man Mo, who's been our vinyl graphics man for about the last 7.5 years, came across some heart problems and is going to be having some emergency surgery next Thursday. So he will be out for the next 3 to 5 months here at the shop. So we're currently actually looking for some seasonal help to kind of fill that void. So if you know anyone who's interested in doing some vinyl graphics work, printing, prepping, finishing, installing, all that kind of stuff, definitely shoot us your resume to sales@carpys.com. We'd love to see your resume if it's something you're interested in doing. It's a super fun job. It's fast-paced, it's creative, super fun work environment, nice tight-knit group. I think it's a blast. A lot of guys have been here for years and years, so I think it's a great work environment. If it's something you're interested in, definitely shoot over your resume. So right now we're actually working on some banners for Adirondack RC Speedway. Our buddy Dick Jarvis, he always hooks us up with these orders. We do banners, shirts, we've done all kinds of stuff for these guys. This one's actually going on their driver stand. So now that the banner is printed and trimmed down, we're going to add some banner tape, fold these edges, kind of reinforce it before we head over to do the grommets for hanging. So now we're going to throw on some of these sweet looking black grommets on this banner, get it all finished up, shoot it over to Earl so he can get it shipped out. And yes, it's ahead of schedule. Something we try to pride ourselves here at Carpy's, under promising and over delivering. It's kind of been our staple for the last 13 years, and frankly, it's what keeps people coming back, like our buddy Dick Jarvis. Sorry that we didn't get a lot of content today. Like I said, we got to the shop a little late today after going to the Day to Remember concert last night. So got a full busy day tomorrow with the police car install, screen printing, embroidery, banners, the whole shebang. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some more inside videos at Carpy's Print Company. Actually, I almost forgot something super important. Today we just placed the new order for the 2026 Carpy's Energy cans. We have a whole new design. It is the same flavor, it just looks way cooler. It's something we're going to do. We're going to do a limited run every year with a new design. This one's pretty cool. We collaborated with our new employee, graphic designer, Garrett Lappy. So him and I kind of did a little collaboration on this can design. It's really cool. Make sure you're checking out our Facebook and Instagram. We will be releasing the can design here in a few days. And that's not all. We actually will be doing pre-orders of this drink. We only ordered 100 cases, so they'll probably go pretty quick. So we're going to be launching a pre-order, and with that pre-order will also include a free Carpy's Energy t-shirt. So make sure you're checking out our other social channels. We appreciate the YouTube love. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll catch you later.
We craft a look that make heads swivel. Every print precise, no margin, no dribble.